Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ardan Imam Rashid, and today I'm gonna talk about research methodology. Have you ever heard the word research? Research is a scientific activity that aims to obtain data which is then used for a certain purpose. Someone who conducts research is also called a researcher. In addition, research is not only done by a person, but sometimes done by a group or organization. Research is scientific activity, so in conducting this activity, it must be carried out in ways that are systematic, rational, or reasonable, and valid data are in accordance with the facts. Therefore, conducting research should not be done carelessly, because it can produce research that is difficult for readers to understand. Next, in order for research not to be carried out carelessly, research must use what is called a research methodology. Talking about research methodology is arguably one of the disciplines that is still growing. In fact, until now, research methodology continues to be developed. Therefore, methodology is included in one of the mandatory courses. The use of this research methodology is adjusted to the field to be studied. For example, in the health sector, the research methodology used must be related to health. This research methodology will direct research to choose the right research methodology and according to the research objectives. Therefore, it can be said that choosing the right methodology can produce the right research as well as the content is usually understood by the readers. There are two research methodologies that are generally known by many people, namely qualitative methodology and quantitative research methodology. However, there are actually several other types of research methodologies that are often also used by research or other methodologies. Research methodology consists of two words, namely methodology and research. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary KBBI, methodology is the science of methods. Description of methods, while research in the Big Indonesian Dictionary KBBI. Research is an activity of collecting, processing, analyzing, and presenting data carried out systematically and objectively to solve a problem or test a hypothesis, to develop general principle. So, research methodology is a way or technique to obtain information and data source that will be used in research. This information or data can be in any form: literature, such as journals, articles, textbooks, newspaper, and so on. In addition, research methodology can also be obtained through electronic media such as television or radio. Even data source can also be obtained from survey and interviews. Therefore, when someone wants to conduct a research methodology, first, by determining the research methodology, the researchers becomes more aware of the workflow or steps in conducting research. Not only that, research will also easily find answer to the topic of the problem being studied, so the research can be complete with maximum result. The need for a research methodology is not without reason, because conducting research requires a systematic way. With this research methodology, Research can be accounted for because it has a fairly high level of credibility. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.